Hey, I got a crazy combo here for you with Human Synthesis Studio, and I felt I should do a quick video for you to allow you, of course, get the value which I'm giving out to you when you get Human Synthesis Studio. I believe you've gotten several mails already hitting your inbox about Human Synthesis Studio and of course being the first to market AI product. Yeah, basically what it does is allows you to set up human-like voiceovers, human-like presenters live on screen to help sell your product, to help sell about just any services. And like you know, this really converts a lot, and that is what top 6-7 figure marketers are using to rave in several sales. So with Human Synthesis Studio, while I was going through it, I just got to see a very big fit with my next launch product, which is called Cubeet. Now what Cubeet does is it allows you to have human presenter like this. Can you see?
Welcome to Cubeet. I am pleased to know that you are about experiencing the best AI marketing of our time.
Now,
feel free to walk around and use the entire tools provided with Cubeet before its launch. Hey.
Now see that
welcome to Cubeet.
This video I actually had to
I am
go
pleased
create
to know
this
that you are
using
about
Cubeet.
experiencing the
Right on
best AI
screen
marketing
here,
of our
you
time.
can create a
Feel
two-way
free to walk
voice
around and use
or
the
rather
entire
video
tools
call,
provided with
which
Cubeet
you can
before
use.
its
Let me
launch.
stop this. You can
Hey.
set a video, you can see the
Welcome
audio, you
to
can set a
Cubeet.
chat, call, and several other tools. So with this, along with Cubeet, you'll be able to monetize and of course create more services for your agency services if you want to start running Human Synthesis Studio. Now, right inside of Human Synthesis Studio, if you've not created a video before, all you need to do, you can just come create a new video. I have one created here, but I just want to quickly show you in this quick video. Now, you can pick any of the Humatar, which is actually avatar in human form, actual humans, which you can pick and have them say just about anything you type in there. So you can make them speak in several languages that you may want to, and you will save yourself the cost of paying as high as $200 per minute to get or to hire any professional to get videos done for you. So with Humatar here, I can select any of it, like the one which I use, I think it used one called let's see, which I used earlier. Of course I can go about using any one. Let's just go for the purpose of demonstration. I could go ahead and use Emma, and that's a talent which I've selected. Now right on Emma here, I did select middle center. I could select this middle center, and I could just drop my script right inside here. So right here I have my script, which is the actual script I use. Say, hey, welcome to Cubeet. Now once you're done with that, you can go ahead, of course, play a script, or you come here, select a language which you want. Already you can see several languages. We have English. I can then go ahead, select which of the talent voice I want to use. If I scroll down, you can also click to preview it. So let's say I'm using Steve Jenny. Let's go over. I think what we have here could use Jenny. Yeah, that's right. So I could hit on play script, and it's going to give me.
Hey.
Yeah.
Welcome to Cubeet. I am pleased to know that you are about experiencing the best AI marketing of our time. Feel free to walk around and use the entire tools provided with Cubeet before its launch.
Alright, so while that is on, I could go ahead, add some more slide if I want to. I can also come over, change my background, change my colors, but I think I'm cool. If I want to use this along with Cubeet, which I'm going to be showing you shortly, I can just go over choosing colors here, whichever color I want to. I could just change it to what I want, and if I want a soundtrack, I could go ahead and add it. So once you're done, you hit on agree right here. So once you hit on agree, you close that and hit on create video. Alright, sorry, I didn't title my video, so I could just say place the title here, new Cubeet demo, and here I could say, alright, get Human Studio, let's just use there, and get access to Cubeet for free only for today. Alright, so you could have that, Once you have that, I can then come over and say create video. Alright, so we have video, and it's stated here in 24 minutes my video will be ready for download. So while we're waiting that, let me quickly show you how I use this on my Cubeet account. So coming back to Cubeet, here on Cubeet dashboard, you can see several videos which we've created in widget. So I want to go over to one of the Cubeet which is appearing on our site, so that I will not really bore you. I want to edit this. All I need to do is come here, edit it, and it's going to take you over to our Cubeet editor, which allows you to create flows. Alright, so right here you can see what I did here. So all I did was to select a card which we call presenter. Now you can see all of these when you come over to breaks. You come over to engagement, you can see questions, you can see inquiry, survey, presenter, contact us, request callback, several blocks which you can use here to create just about any engagement you want. So what we use is called presenter, and I added presenter along with what we call conversation, which is what we have here. So in this video, once you select it,
welcome to Cubeet. I am pleased to know that you are about experiencing the best AI marketing Cubeet. I am pleased to know that you are about experiencing the best AI marketing of our time.
Right there.
Feel free to walk around and use the entire.
So once I created, I had to select this video from my local machine to get the Cubeet flow, which I did using human Synthesys. So once I'm done there, I set my conversion. So I can set up my video, set up my audio call, which allows me to generate two-way video calls. And you can go about setting up any kind of cards you may want to. You can set up Twitter card, YouTube card, Amazon, Shopify store, PayPal, Patreon, and of course sell using your Amazon cards. Then going back here, all I need to do is export this. So once I export it, I have it as a flow. So you get to see this, that my flow is already stated. Now right on this flow, I can come over here to get to the summary page. So right on my summary page here, I can create what we call the instant conversion page, which means even when you don't have a website or your client doesn't have a website, with your use of Human Synthesis Studio, creating videos, and of course linking up with Cubeet, you could instantly create an instant conversion page. Now this is how it looks like. I can just call this up, open it on another window. Right, so right on this video here, you can see the instant conversion page that talks about the Cubeet. I can play and listen to
welcome
it.
To Cubeet.
Alright, I can turn it off, and I can share it virally to the social handles. I could also copy the link to share virally as well. I can also use the quick response code. Now it becomes even interesting if you want to engage further with visitors to your site or to your web page. If you want to use it as a consultancy service, one can just click on here to start chatting with you, or one could close it and also click on here to initiate a voice call. So once he puts in his username, rather his name, he can start calling you almost immediately. So once he saves this detail, it calls out, it can dial out to the person and see if I allow this, it calls it out. So the same thing also applies if I also choose to initiate a video call, and that starts there. So that's exactly how it works. You could initiate a two-way video call. So that's exactly how Cubeet plays out. And of course, Cubeet comes with several templates. Let me take you through the several hundreds of template collections you have. So here are several templates which you can see, and you can scroll down to select from any of the template if you want to build using a template and build from scratch. So we have template covering several niches. These are done for you templates which you can work with to get our video set up right inside of Cubeet. So right on the site, you can have this set up and you have it popping like this. And once you click on it, you can also see the video which you can stop and share. You could also have it as a pop-up, just like you can see here. So right here you have it. You can have center right, show as modal, expand. You can allow sharing. You can also state the layout orientation you want it to have. And of course, you can allow full screen, and you can also add some analytical quotes here, Facebook pixel, and other scripts which you may want to add for tracking purposes or to monitor whatever conversions you want to monitor. And I did not mention this, Cubeet is the first and only design product that does have what we call the funnel flow. With the funnel flow, you can create several sequences for your models or your pop-up designs, which you can see showing like this. And you could create several funnel flows for this, which takes your customers' journey from one step to the next step, depending on what you want to get. So I'm saying, if you do get our Human Synthesis Studio, I'll be granting you access to the premium account of our Cubeet. Of course, you know I want to launch this and I want to make some sales, and of course I want you to come buy it. But here again, I'm taking the crazy move to give you access to our Cubeet totally free. That is, if you do get Human Synthesis today, I'll be granting you access to that. I'm also backing this access with further bonuses, which you can see here, right? Exclusive bonuses, which is running into tens of thousands right here. So you have Cubeet access. You also have a video product blueprint, which gives you all you need to know in setting up high converting courses with video products. And you have video list builder. The list continues. You have 5 reasons to market your business with video. It continues on and on. You can take a time to run through the entire bonus collections which I have for you here, and this is separate from the regular bonuses you would get from taking Human Synthesis Studio as offered by the vendor. So right here you have the vendor bonuses already enclosed for you. You have my general bonuses enclosed for you. You have my exclusive bonuses, and of course you now have right to my yet to launch Cubeet product. So all of this put together is a top-notch value which I've put together for you, which is a combo of Cubeet and Human Avatar Synthesis Studio. To also help you know what you stand to get when you put all of this combo to work, let's quickly jump into Viva and see what other dudes are doing. So right on Viva, we just want to check what it costs to make makeovers or video making. Let's just say. So right here we have a search for video makeovers, and scrolling down here, you could see some top sellers. I will be your Facebook marketing specialist, over 176 others, and this says I will put face on your video, face video font makeover movie. I will design your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Okay, that's okay. Coming over here, it says I will change face deep in video in few hours makeover movie scenes. And if you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of collections and several people making much sales here, doing makeover videos, video on screens, just exactly what Human Synthesis will help you do, and you stand a chance of having more conversions when you combine it with the power of Cubeet. So go right on the description, you'll find a link to get your own Human Synthesis account along with Cubeet. Thank you.